back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where luxury, architecture, and lifestyle come together. Today, we are excited to present an extraordinary modern luxury home that perfectly blends bold design, elegant interiors, and resort-style outdoor living. This residence is a true reflection of contemporary luxury, designed for those who appreciate space, comfort, and timeless style. Let's begin with a stunning drone day view of the property. From above, the home immediately stands out with its clean architectural lines and balanced layout. The exterior features a sophisticated combination of blue and gray tones, highlighted with bold red accents that add depth and character. Large glass windows dominate the facade, allowing natural light to flood the interior while offering beautiful views of the surrounding landscape. As we move closer, the front exterior makes a powerful first impression. The wide driveway leads to a grand entrance that feels both modern and welcoming. Premium materials, sharp edges, and a confident color palette set the tone for what's inside this luxury residence featured on American Dream Mansions. Stepping inside, we arrive at the entrance foyer, where a double-height ceiling instantly creates a sense of openness and grandeur. Polished marble flooring reflects natural daylight, while designer lighting fixtures add warmth and elegance. This space is designed to impress from the very first step. Moving into the heart of the home, we enter the main living room and TV lounge. This area is both stylish and comfortable, featuring plush seating in blue and gray shades, accented with red cushions and decor. A sleek modern TV wall anchors the space, making it perfect for family gatherings or relaxed evenings. Floor-to-ceiling windows blur the line between indoor and outdoor living, a signature of luxury homes showcased on American Dream Mansions. Adjacent to the living room is the formal lounge, a refined space ideal for entertaining guests. The furniture is carefully selected to balance luxury and comfort, while ambient lighting enhances the elegant atmosphere. This flows seamlessly into the dining area, where a large designer dining table takes center stage. Modern pendant lights hang above, creating an inviting setting for family dinners and special occasions. Now let's head into the kitchen, a true dream for any home chef. This modern kitchen features sleek blue-gray cabinetry with striking red accents that add personality and style. A spacious island provides extra workspace and seating, while high-end built-in appliances ensure both beauty and functionality. This kitchen is designed for everyday living as well as entertaining in style. The home also includes a spacious garage, offering room for multiple luxury vehicles. Clean finishes, modern lighting, and easy access make it both practical and visually impressive. Next, we move into the media room, designed for ultimate entertainment. With comfortable seating, controlled lighting, and a cinematic feel, this space is perfect for movie nights. Just nearby, the private gym offers a fully equipped workout area with mirrors, modern lighting, and red accent details, creating a motivating environment to stay active at home. Heading upstairs, we arrive at the principal bedroom suite, a peaceful retreat designed for comfort and relaxation. The room features a king-size bed, soft blue-gray walls, and subtle red accent lighting. Large windows allow natural light to fill the space, creating a calm and luxurious atmosphere. The ensuite bathroom feels like a private spa, complete with marble finishes, a modern bathtub, a glass shower, and premium fixtures. Every detail is thoughtfully designed to provide a sense of luxury and comfort. Additional bedrooms in the home are equally well appointed, each offering stylish design, ample space, and beautifully finished bathrooms. Finally, let's step outside to explore the garden and outdoor living area. This space is designed for both relaxation and entertainment. A resort-style swimming pool reflects the modern architecture of the home, while a stylish swing seating area adds charm and comfort. The outdoor kitchen makes this area perfect for hosting gatherings and enjoying time with family and friends. This stunning residence truly captures the essence of luxury living. From its bold exterior and elegant interiors to its thoughtfully designed outdoor spaces, this home represents the lifestyle we proudly showcase on American Dream Mansions. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll see you soon with another incredible luxury home, only on American Dream Mansions.